Good morning friends, this is Bharat Kumar and I am a student of CRS Info Solutions. I have been training in Salesforce since a couple of months. Today, I just want to share my experience about this institution with you. First of all, when I wanted to join Salesforce course, I have attended at least a dozen demo classes from different institutions. But when I attended the demo from CRS, I felt it's different and better. So I just joined. After 2 months, I am telling you, every penny I spent on this institution is worthy. Like how? First of all, about the training. The trainer we got is almost 10 years experience in real time, and he always talk about the real time scenarios only, and there will be everyday very interactive sessions and daily assignments, weekly assignments, mini projects, which all will help you in real time. That is very wonderful, I feel. After the training, there will be like some internship for real-time projects, and after that there will be resume preparation training, communication skills training, and interview training, everything, like from basic to getting a job. Every aspect they are going to cover. Even for non-IT guys, they have special sessions about the basic programming, because programming is very difficult for non-IT guys, right? So it's like the whole package, and I feel very happy to be part of these institutions. And I suggest you, if you want to join in Salesforce or any other IT courses, the CRS is the best in the market. I personally feel that. So, thank you.